Good morning, y'all. So today is our moving vlog. I'm super excited. I just dropped my girls off at school. This is their second day at school. They were excited. They couldn't wait. And now I am out of breath for some reason. But now I'm about to head back home, do my hair because I have to film the empty apartment tour. And I have a few more things to do before I even head back to this side of town. So, yeah, I'll see y'all when I am heading back to this side of town to do the moving vlog. All right, peace out. Okay, y'all, so my makeup is done for the most part. I just have to add some lip gloss. And should I do that right now? I feel like I'm out of place. I think I should add some lip gloss right now. What else? I am about to bring my car to the front and then load some of my groceries in my car, go get my money order, and then head to my apartment. So, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I got my bags right here for my groceries. My makeup room is in shambles. Everything is in shambles right about now. But let me bring my car out. And yeah, here we go. So this is what my trunk is looking like. I got my change of clothes right here because I'm gonna change clothes after I film the tour. I got snacks. I got cups back there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Cups, water, food, cleaning supplies all up in here. It's just too much. I also got my sandals for His Display Boutique that I have to organize. I have soap, all that's the essentials and stuff like that. So now we are headed to get the money order. I think I have everything. I hope I do. I'm still coming back, but for the first go round. I can't find my earrings to save my life. I thought they were in my car, but they are not. And I just feel so bucket naked without them. I need some type of earrings on. But this is what we're looking like. I don't have on nobody's lashes either. I don't think my makeup is the best. I really don't. Not today. I'm having a bad makeup day. But I do need some earrings on, these glasses are from His Display Boutique. They are $15 if you are interested. I think I should go find me some earrings because how am I gonna do my luxury apartment tour without looking all the way put together? Like, I have to have them. I'm also wearing the shades of my lip gloss, Deeper and Lucy, just in case you guys are wondering. I did an ombre look. Okay, yeah, let's go find some earrings because I don't have nothing up in here. Oh, that's what I'm back there for, to get my drink. I still gotta get the car anyway. Okay, well, we'll probably go get some earrings. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I have finished the unfurnished apartment tour. Make sure you guys check that out. And now I'm about to go change so that I can bring my food and everything else upstairs and then head back to my apartment because I gotta, finish or whatever. And my best friend is supposed to be coming to help me. So, make sure you check out the video and I'll be back. To my garage and I'm about to bring this food. Oh wait, I'm gonna get this lunch meat first. Oh, darn it. Can't get in. That's the keys. Okay. I'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all. So this is just some of the stuff that I've brought into the house. I still have a few more bags in my trunk that I need to bring in. But this is just an update of what I have. I have a bathroom mat for my shower. I have 2 towels, food, comforter for my kids' bed when it comes, toiletries, and some other stuff. can't think of a bag right now. Clothes hangers, of course, food, snacks, trash bags. Yeah. So I have to hurry up and finish my trunks. I gotta go back to my old house. I'm trying to do everything before my kids get out of school. A lot of bit behind schedule. But this is the life of a YouTuber who's moving. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you are enjoying this vlog, please give me a thumbs up. And let's keep going. So, more stuff. Should I bring my water bottles in? Yeah, or I can just leave them in the garage. I could just take them out of the car and leave them in the garage. That's in a bag. Because I need room for other things. So, yeah, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna have to take that out. Yeah, I can't do this and film. I had to sit y'all down, but I did give y'all an update. So I'll see you guys probably once I get through unloading and heading back to the old house. I'll pick you guys up back then. So catch you in a little bit. Okay, so all of the things from my trunk are loaded up. So this is what I have from my trunk for right now. I'm about to grab my keys and we are about to head out. Oh, the keys are right here. I should charge my laptop. My MacBook is charging. Got my keys, or my car keys, and my old apartment keys. Now we gotta get my new keys. And we're heading back out. So that's been fun. Okay, y'all, so the second this is the third round. The third round of stuff has made it to the house. My kids are out of school now, and I'm hungry, so I'm about to cook. I'm just about to show y'all what I have in here so far. But yeah, hold on. So like I said, this was the stuff that we had already bought here. Pots, pans, so I can get ready to cook. New cups and things of that nature. Bedding stuff that I haven't taken out. And then this is their snacks for lunch for tomorrow. Until I go grocery shopping to actually make them actual lunches. I have to get all the snacks and stuff out of these bags and put them inside of the pantry. My dishes are pretty much already washed, so I can literally just start cooking in just a moment. But let me show you what else. I'm recording. So my girls' stuff is already inside their room. They already started decorating, whatever. And then my room. So I have my clothes at the hanger. Most of my business stuff is in here, not all of it. Just the eyeshadow palettes. I hung up one of my things. This here is for my baby's party this weekend for her birthday party. It's already passed. Her birthday's already passed. We just celebrate our party. And that's it. So I'm gonna close all these. I don't know what happened. I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. But I just closed my blinds. Just closed the blinds in all of the houses. The lighting in here is amazing. My makeup is creasing. Sorry that you guys didn't get to see the 2 more rounds that I made to the house. But yeah, we're done for the day. But I have to go back because I left my kids' TV. I need my fan. I have to sit with my fan. If you're a fan user, you know what I'm talking about. But I have to get my fan. I left my ring light, so I can't even record. Y'all can't see me like unpacking and stuff like that, but yeah. I mean, I have a lot more to do, so just this part, we are done for the day, and I'm so excited. The sun is going down. I can't wait. I need to wash my hands so I can cook. We can eat. I can take a bath, and then we can head out and go get what we need to get, and they can, you know, do their goodbyes and stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I might be back. If not, thank you for watching. Share, like, subscribe, comment. Bye. Y'all, so this is our first night here at home in our new house. This is how we're sleeping. My bed isn't coming to the 15th, so I'm gonna be here on this floor in this pallet, but that's okay with me because I'm in my new space. I still have these to put up, but I've been so busy. At this point, I'm tired, and I'm just not getting out the shower. So, yeah, and it's already like 9-10 o'clock at night. So, I'll do that another day. Yeah, like I said, I just got the shower. This is my bed, my pallet for the next week or so, and I ain't tripping. And then I'm gonna show you the girls' room. This is baby girl. So they are sound asleep. They had an amazing day. They're so excited. We had our first dinner here, our first baths, everything. They're so excited. Their beds come tomorrow and their mattresses. My couch come tomorrow. I'm doing a, what's that called? First 24 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna do a first 24 hours video, so make sure you guys stay on the lookout for that one. And I think this will be it. So this is the outro. This is the outro for this vlog. This is the outro for this vlog. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited too for this journey. But yeah, so business videos will resume soon. So make sure you are following, subscribe to this channel. Also make sure you are following me on Instagram at BeautyBeatsCOS and Houston Slay Boutique, and also Destiny Moche XO. That's my personal page. My eyes are burning because I took off my makeup. So if it look like I'm crying or something, that's because my eyes are burning. Oh, what else? Thank y'all again. Like, subscribe, comment. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.